How to change your address on Amazon. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change our address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing our address on Amazon is actually quite simple. Open up the Amazon shopping application that you would be able to find here, and then just make sure that you're signed into your account. After you do this, tap on the little profile like icon that you can find over there, and after that what you have to do is to simply make sure to tap on the your account section there. Once you go to the your account page, you'll be able to see all this. Right where under account settings, you'll find an option that says your addresses. So you can basically tap on the your addresses button over there. Then you can choose to edit the current address or choose to add a new address and make that your default address. So you cannot edit the default address as long as you don't have other addresses. So you can choose to add another address, make that your default address if that's what you like. This way you can change your address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.